In this tutorial, you will learn how to create an email signature with variables for Teamwork Desk. This way, the next time you send a support ticket, your email messages will be sent with a professional email signature, similar to this one. So let's get started. In the first part, activate the integration with Teamwork Desk in By Brand. Note that these placeholders will be available in the signature editor. They also work in Teamwork Desk. In this section, you can find 2 help tutorials too. Now we will create a new email signature for our Teamwork Desk support agents. I will use this template. Note that the variables are displayed when you type 2 double curly brackets. In the HTML email signature, you can add links to FAQ, knowledge bases, social media, and even a button to open an online chat. But I won't prolong this video too much with that. Save the signature and click Paste in Email. In this part, click the Copy Signature button and access the Teamwork Desk panel to use it. Navigate to the Settings menu and then the Inboxes tab. Then click to edit. Scroll down to find the Signature section. Then paste the content into this area. Finally, now we will send a ticket to a customer to test and see the exchange of these variables for real agent data. The signature is working.